up, good people? Today is 2 Minute Tip Tuesday. Let's get into this video. Today we're going to talk about how long can I drive on a spare tire. I used to do it myself when I had my Dodge Neon, riding around getting it. I pop the tire, I'm just like, bump it. The donut there for a lifetime, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to ride around getting it. That donut is not there for a lifetime. It's just a temporary fix to get you to A to B and then get your tire fixed. How many miles can you drive on your donut? 50. Not 200, not 300, not 1,000 miles, but 50. It's designed for you to drive safely enough to get there and get a new tire. I know you probably like, ArtOfSpeedd, I ain't got all that money for a new tire. I understand. Me personally, I used to be there, you know, but it's designed for you to get you to A to B for a temporary fix. Not for a lifetime, you know. So it's like 50 miles, not even 200 miles. Because of the dynamic of the tire and the weight of the vehicle. Your center of gravity is off, you know what I'm saying? How fast can I drive on a spare tire? 60. 60 miles do not exceed the limit because of the fact that your original tire thickness is like this thick and your spare tire is like this thick, you know. So you ain't got that much ground coverage on that spare tire than compared to your regular tires. So you trying to book around the corner hitting about 80 or 90, you might flip your car over. And you know, I don't want that to happen to you. Drive the speed limit when you have your spare tire on your car. Do not try to drive and getting it real fast like your boy ArtOfSpeedd did one day. And I was like, yo, hold on. This ain't right. But if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. If you're not part of ArtOfSpeedd fam, go ahead and subscribe button. And yo, welcome to the family. I look forward to seeing you next video.